could.
I know, I wouldn't probably do their style too.
Have you ever seen another?
Your class got a bubble gum.
Have you ever seen another? Have you ever seen a love like this before? Have you ever seen a love like this before?
A word of caution. Before we move ahead, our next trick around the world should be practiced in a safe, open area, preferably outdoors.
Every time I close my eyes, you want to take a video? I'll make
Three.
sure.
2, 1, off the table!